Hi everyone! Today I will talk about a plugin I made to fix two big problems. It might have to let another small issue, but I will go into that later. In our project, people have named walls in their own ways. This have made things messy and hard to understand. We need to make these names clear and organized. I've even used random letters for names as an example. This happens more than you would think. Let's say we have a wall with insulation was 120 mm thick. Later we find out it needs to be 140 or 150 mm. So we change this in the project, but forget to update the name where it's listed. When we take a break and someone else comes and gets the old info by mistake. We have a parameter in the project that lists the materials of each part, and this needs to be updated too. We hope to remember to update this, especially when there are lots of parts to change. Like I said, solving two problems might create a third. This is about how we handle the parts of a project and the materials used. We need to be more careful with this. For example, a wall is not just a wall, but also the materials, like timber, air, and now timber. So, we make sure each part has two descriptions, a short one for the name and a longer, full description. Launch the plugin, select categories for correction, in this case all of them, press run. Let's see, 8 walls, type not meeting the conditions according to the regular expressions, floors 3 corrected, 2 types still failed the check, ceilings all elements are fixed, roofs 4 corrected, 1 type not fixed. Let's look at the text with the layers of elements. Here it's filled in and there, but here in this little wall and floor we have got a void in the values of the brands. So the conclusion is that the materials are incorrectly arranged. We need to go into the type layers and correct the materials so that the name has two fields. A short one for forming the type name string GLU, an underscore separator, and a full description which will be a multi-line text tile glue. Correct it. Okay. Let's check the floor. Here we made the correction. Okay. We run our plugin again on the categories what weren't correct before. Now most of necessary elements are fixed. Let's check the text in the section view. Our gaps are filled, which is great. In the schedule, the names of the types are formed by collecting strings from short indexes, which allows for a complete enumeration of the elements with an understanding of the thickness of each layer. Also, at the end of each type, the full thicknesses of each type is always updated. We also list all multi-line layers, enumerating them by numbers and adding thicknesses. Also, I want to highlight a bonus feature. The plugin fields in the model group for filtering in all the Revit versions, which can be quite handy. Okay, we have done here. This is my solution to these problems. Interested in using it? Let's collaborate. Subscribe for more. Bye.